May katagalan ang order. Uhaw na uhaw na. Papanawan na ako ng makulirat sa uhaw. And it takes really long to serve the food and the drinks. Oh my G. Is this for real? Seriously. Kuya, ito. Sedma. Kaloka. Nandeded mo sila. Seryoso to? Seriously? Ate. I think I made a mistake. I should have get chicken sandwich instead of chicken fish. Chicken fries. Oh my G. What the F? Is this for real? It takes like 100 years to serve. Oh my gosh. 2 minutes? Okay. Balik ako. 2 minutes pa daw. Okay then, I'll sit first so I can relax a bit. 2 minutes is 2 minutes anyways. Oh my goodness. You guys behave. You go there. You check if there's go ahead and check. I'm gonna watch you. Shabby, where are you gonna go? Is there anyone there? Is there anyone? Oh, is there anyone? Okay, go ahead. I'll watch you. Oh my gosh. So hot. Oh my God, it's so hot. My snow mother is calling me. Well, sobrang init today. But it's nice to go out. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. Ang tagal naman pa Wash your hands! Wash your hands! Wash and soap it! daming tao, napakadaming tao. Siguro, mga init na init sila sa bahay nila. Kaya mas gusto na lang nila mag-malling. Just like me. Sorta. I think they're playing water now, I think. I cannot see them. See? Oh my God. So, how's your day, guys? Mine is like this. Nothing much. Nothing to do. I am thinking of the new movie from Netflix. Okay, sit down. Sit down. I'm gonna get your food in a while. That's good. That's very good. Yeah. So, a lot of people walking around, eating burgers. I like Popeyes actually, but they're slow. Oh my gosh, they're really or maybe because there's a lot of people. That's one. That's why they are very. Later, I'm gonna get cinnamon bread, cinnamon rolls. I love it. I'm so addicted to that bread. I don't know why, but it's good. With coffee or tea, oh my gosh, the best. So, like I said, they said 2 minutes, so 1 more minute. Stop! You make me dance. This song makes me move my body. Oh, it's me. It's me. Bye. Bye, TikTok.